Hello everyone, my name is Shivam. I am the founder and CEO of Social Legal Corp. Social Legal Corp is a legal organization which aims at protecting the rights and interests of people. We do this through legal awareness and legal advocacy. Today with me, I welcome you all to Dr. Prem Chand. Sir is the Executive Director of Center for Law and Urban Development at the Research Center of National Law University, Delhi. Hello sir.
Hello.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing well.
Sir, the first question to you is, can you tell us more about what the Center for Law and Urban Development is about?
Center for Law and Urban Development, actually, it has been decided by our Executive Council years back in 2009. Thereafter, there were no work as such happened, and I came to know that Center for Law and Urban Development already is in place. I requested to Vice Chancellor, sir, as a team, me, Dr. Jasper Vikas, and our other colleagues, with some students, I requested them to start the center, energize us with new funds and schemes and research, and try to collaborate with the other authorities, including HUDCO, NCCP, and DDA. Initially, we have started few lectures, and now we have proposed the seminar, which is going to happen this week on 10th and 11th of February 2024.
All right. And sir, this is the second national seminar on affordable housing.
Yeah.
Could you shed some light on the first national seminar which happened, and what were the major takeaways from that seminar?
So, this first seminar, if I recall, actually the dates were of 18th and 19th October 2019, where more than 100 participants were there, and we have received about 200 abstracts, and out of 100 participants, the paper received, the participants, they were very what I said, the curious about this new area, because law and urban development is a niche area where actually no other law university is taking care of, except a few, including NLS and NALSA. They have some centers, but which connections with law and urban development is the area where it needs to be worked, except few papers like of land laws, like of Transfer of Property Act. These papers are very general papers, which simply talk about the connection between land issues, the immovable properties, and all. But there are other connected issues as well, where major chunk, where we have seen that this urbanization in India, it is increasing. So we thought that let's discuss the core issues of the affordable housing. This is housing for all, and if you are aware that Constitution of South Africa, which gives a fundamental right to housing every individual, every citizen. In India, we can see the Article 21, right to housing, and where the government of India has started its policy and plan, affordable housing, not affordable housing, housing for all by 2022. Now it has been extended, and Sitaraman, our Honorable Finance Minister, she just put that 1 crore new housing, affordable houses are going to be built during the coming days.
That's amazing. And also, like, it's great that after the pandemic, we are finally organizing the second national seminar as well. So what new can we expect from this seminar on the affordable housing? And if you could shed some light on the topic or the themes of the seminars which participants will be presenting their work on.
So this time we have received more than 110 abstracts, and there are 20 sub-themes under the main themes of affordable housing, building inclusive society for 21st century India. So in these themes, we have considered a number of areas where these are not the final one, but there are a number of papers which are connecting or ancillary themes also been covered, including dispute resolution, RERA, affordable housing and structure, loan, tax evasion, and the construction companies, how they are dealing with the buyers. So all those areas are being considered, and this blockchain technology, how this real estate sector is going to this blockchain technology is going to be helpful for the real estate sector and home buyers and the builders as well. So in such a way, we have considered 71 papers where a number of themes are there, sub-themes are there, and I'm happy to share with you that these participants are going to learn a new area which required to be discussed on a global platform, where we are trying at our level best. So it must be considered as a subject in all other law universities and colleges, where not only the affordable housing but law and urban development, how it is connected with each other. So affordable housing is one of the part, and ultimately when we are considering this seminar, the participants are going to share their views, and we have considered, for the purpose of resource persons and the chair of technical sessions, a different industry, including advocates, practitioners, hardcore experts, legal experts, the faculty members of different universities, and including our university as well, where we will look forward how this seminar is going to take place. Hopefully it is going to be a great experience for all of us.
Yes, sir. For sure. My next question to you is, the second national seminar is being organized in collaboration between Center for Law and Urban Development and the Center for Tax Laws. So where does these two areas and their work intersect, and what has been the inspiration behind working and collaborating together and then make an impact together?
In simple words, when we are looking for housing or looking for property as such, so revenue or the tax itself an integral part of that process. So what we thought about, because when a home buyer takes loan, when a home buyer takes the property or buyer property from the builders or other individuals, so what we found that there is very good connections between these two areas, tax laws and housing sector. So during our themes, if I read one or two, it's in relation to real estate sector, goods and services, GST is one, real estate industry, haven for tax evasion, including, if I see, the budget 2024 and affordable housing, and impact of extension of tax holiday on affordable housing. So in such a way, tax is going to be an integral part of the discussion while discussing housing for all, while discussing a living place for individuals. So that's why we thought I request to my colleague Dr. Jasper Vikas, Executive Director, Center for Law and Urban Development, Executive Director for Center for Tax Laws, that we come together and let's have a brief discussion on how it will go. And ultimately we decided, okay, this is going to be very convenient for both of us.
Yeah.
And it is going to be helpful for understanding the tax and real estate industry or housing industry, how it works in the real sense. So we come together and started this whole program, and now it's before you.